Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can connect your phone to laptop or PC without USB cable. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to download this application, Wi-Fi FTP server. You can get this application from Play Store or App Store, and after that you have to open this application and you have to turn on your hotspot. You can go to your quick setting panel and turn on the mobile hotspot. Okay, and you can connect your laptop or PC to this mobile hotspot. Okay, and you have to input the server URL to your laptop. Okay, in your laptop or PC, make sure you have connected your laptop to the mobile hotspot. And here, as you can see, I have connected my laptop to my mobile hotspot. And we're going to go to the File Explorer and go to this PC. You can right-click on this PC and select Add a Network Location. Okay, and select Next. And click on this option and click on next again, and you have to enter the internet or network address. You can go back to your phone and check the address, and you have to enter it to this computer. Okay, this one, and I'm gonna click on next, and then click on next again and click on next and finish. Okay, and as you can see guys, that now my phone has been connected to my laptop. These are the folder in my mobile phone, and we just need to select the data we want to copy. For example, I'm going to copy this video to my laptop. So I'm going to click on Ctrl+C, and then I'm going to paste it right here. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to connect phone to laptop without USB cable. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.